Hello, what's up guys? And today I am going to show you guys this ship showcase on my ship that I built a long time ago, which is called, well, it doesn't have a name, it's just called the Frigate of Project Republic. That shows you just how old it was, because this was before the British Empire was even created. So, if you can see way over there. Okay, the yellow hull ship is Mitch TY's ship, and this red one is a dragon ship that I made, and this is the Chicken Queen. Isn't it beautiful? Anyways, so today I'm just going to be giving a ship tutorial, showcase on this ship that I'm standing on right now. And if you guys want to, I can do a ship showcase. I'm sorry, I keep on saying tutorial. If you guys want to, I will do a ship showcase on the other ships over there. But my plan for now is to just go through my main warships, which is this ship, a ship way over there, and that ship, which is my flagship. So without any delay, let's just get on with this showcase. So, as I've already said, this ship does not have a name, because this was before I got into the habit of giving my ships names. But down below, you can see that I packed in all of the sails back here. So this is an older warship, so it's not as good as the newer warships, like the one over the hill and that ship over there. This ship has no sails, as you've probably already seen, so it has to have all of the wool placed in the back or in some other place, which means that, say some lucky cannon shot hits the back of the ship will immediately lose a lot of its wool percent, and that will cause it to sink. So it's very weak in the back part of the ship. So here's my lock, and right here you guys will be able to see the purpose of this pillar later on, but this pillar is a rotating axle for the turret that you saw above. This turret is like the very oldest design. This was before PirateCraft even had the turret.craft file, even like in the Movecraft folder. This rotating axle was designed to create a turret without having the need to have a craft called turret. So going above, here are the cannon broadsides. As you can see, it has it has 10 cannons in total, and you can fire all of the cannons in here. Someone has to load up the cannons, and then you just run along and like whack all of the buttons. Yeah, okay. So it's not that good, but it still works. So then if we go on top of the turret, which I can't seem to get... Wait! So as you can see, this ship is very old that I have not even realized that pressing the buttons will actually cause the ship roof to become a bridge. So, yeah. You wanna know why? Because I've actually used this ship in a ship battle and on raids, and this never happened to me before. So this ship, I used it before bridges were even like implemented on the server. So there you go. Happy day for me, I guess. Great. Anyways, onto the turret. Might as well just finish up this video because that bridge thing just ruined everything. Okay, so onto the Halloween event, yay. Onto the turret. Sorry guys. Onto the turret. If you go in, you have to like hobble down here. Then so it's not meant for you to use the turret by being inside of the turret. It's actually meant to be like standing on top of that stair, and then just controlling the ship. And it would work if the bridge hadn't connected to it, but yeah, you control the ship, then you just rotate, and then you fire the cannons. So, because the reason why it's a dhow is because a dhow works with wood, but it does not work with stone bricks. So that's why it has this stone brick platform. It will not connect to the actual frigate part of the ship, so that way it can be a dhow, but it won't actually be connected to this stone brick. So it'll think that it's actually a ship that's separate from the main frigate. As you saw earlier, the rotating axle allows for the turret to spin around, and the rotating axle also serves another purpose of causing the dhow to think that it's connected to water, when, as you can see, the main body of the ship isn't actually touching the water. So ships all have to be touching the water in order to work. So because of that rotating axle, the dhow is able to function since it's touching the water, but it's actually connected to like a long ship above the water. And then the rotating axle is actually directly beneath the helm sign. That is because the helm sign will pivot the ship along the point of where the helm sign actually is. So the ship will rotate around the helm sign. So if it's around here, the ship will pivot along this helm sign, and it'll look sort of weird because the back end of the ship will suddenly turn around while this center part of the ship, like near the front of the ship, will barely turn around. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. The next video on my schedule is a day in the life of Ani, so look forward to that video. It's going to be pretty funny, hopefully. And yeah, have a good day guys. I need to go fix this stupid shit now. Yeah. Bye-bye!